Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on your GMC Acadia. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have new engine oil and a fresh oil filter ready. Park your Acadia on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and allow the engine to cool for about 15 minutes. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Carefully locate the oil drain plug underneath your GMC Acadia. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the plug to collect the used oil. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This step is crucial for ensuring all contaminants are removed from your engine. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 turn. Finally, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely to prevent any leaks. Now, let's add the fresh oil. Pour the recommended amount of new engine oil through the fill cap. Start your Acadia's engine and let it run for a minute, checking for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then verify the oil level with the dipstick. Remember to properly dispose of the used oil at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.